Over the last several years, you've probably witnessed Bitcoin being suggested as a cutting-edge investment option. Luxury and insane profits leave people wondering how to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. Welcome to our channel, Financial Insights, the place where you are always a little bit smarter and wiser after seeing one of our valuable videos so you can develop your financial knowledge. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can make even more financial content. For those of you who don't know, Bitcoin is a popular type of cryptocurrency that utilizes a large chain of interconnected computers to store and protect your digital assets. Bitcoin offers an amazing alternative to the traditional banking system, and it relies on the immutable mathematical proof for its foundation. And for the first time in human history, offers a decentralized currency where trust between two parties can be scaled to the level where a global community has equal access to a global monetary system that is natively digital. Bitcoin is also a highly volatile asset that's prone to large and fast swings in value, which presents an opportunity for large returns, but also poses a tremendous risk. Bitcoin is also one of the most widely used types of cryptocurrency worldwide. In a cryptocurrency system, virtual coins or tokens are used instead of physical cash. Coins have no intrinsic value as such, and they aren't backed up by gold or silver. Bitcoin was created to solve a couple of big cryptocurrency flaws. It was designed to prevent crypto coins from being fraudulently duplicated. Think about how easy it would be to make copies of your computer's data, documents, photos, files, etc. Cryptocurrency wouldn't be possible if anybody could just duplicate a coin and create an unlimited amount of currency for oneself. Bitcoin uses a digital technology called blockchain, which is an advanced coding mechanism that disperses a single code over thousands of different computers. Blockchain also employs a public ledger, which uses thousands of computers, usually referred to as nodes, to keep track of coins and their owners. If a coin's data is altered, the nodes will cross-reference each other's records to verify whether the change is accurate and that it was initiated by the coin's owner. We know that you are here for the different types of ways to make money using Bitcoin, so let us dive deeper into that, shall we? Number 1. Mining. No, we're definitely not talking about heading into a cave with a pickaxe and a hard hat. We're talking about Bitcoin mining, one of the first ways ever to obtain Bitcoin. Miners usually use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they crack the code, they are rewarded with newly minted BTC. This is basically a race to see who can solve the block the fastest, and those lucky ones do so reap the rewards. Back in the day, mining wasn't as complicated. Some of the earliest miners were able to mine thousands of BTC using just their home computers. But now, it's a very different scenario. To mine in today's Bitcoin scene, you'll need top-tier equipment that can set you back a few $1,000s. Also, since Bitcoin has made a name for itself now, you will surely have a lot of competition. To give yourself a fighting chance, you can join Bitcoin mining pools or mining clouds. A Bitcoin mining pool is a collaborative group of miners who combine their computing power to solve complex mathematical problems faster. A Bitcoin mining cloud is similar, but instead, they use the cloud to connect their computing power. In either case, the miners' fees are paid from transactions, and the newly minted coins are split among the people in the group. Number 2. Hodling. Buy and hold. Buying and holding Bitcoin is the answer to the age-old question, how to invest in Bitcoin and make money. Hodling. The other term for buying and holding is one of the most straightforward and most beginner-friendly trading strategies out there. First, get a Bitcoin wallet, buy BTC, and then hope that the price spikes in the future. No matter how long that may take, it could be weeks, months, or even years before you decide to sell. Number 3. Lending Bitcoin. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies actually makes it simpler to make transactions. This is because you won't need any authorities to validate it. That's right, because of this decentralization, you can also loan BTC at an interest rate. Think of it as a way to make your money flow even when you're hodling. You're actually making use of the wealth rather than keeping it unmoved in your wallet. Unchained Capital, Bitbon, and BTC Pop are some of the best websites you can use to help you with your lending services. Number 4. Binary Trading. Binary trading has existed in the financial world for a really long time. It was only a matter of time before it made its way into the world of crypto. As the name suggests, binary has just two options, A trader purchases an option and an expiration time. The trader is either in the money or out of the money. Basically, you're betting on where the price is going. For example, the price of BTC is 3,000 USD at 11 a.m. You can either bet that the price will be more or less than that by 6 p.m. If you bet that the price will increase and that happens, you're in the payout of a certain percentage of your investment. However, if it's lower, you lose the investment. On the other hand, if you bet that the price will go down and it indeed happens, you're in the options payout. Number 5. Bug bounties. Bug bounties are incentives offered by many software developers and organizations that reward you for finding exploits and vulnerabilities in their systems. Many Bitcoin exchanges and peer-to-peer marketplaces offer programs like this to help improve their ecosystems for their users. This is a great way to make money if you are into it. Number 6. Getting tipped in Bitcoin. One of the most fulfilling things in this world is helping other people out. And if you get tipped a little money on the side for it, well, that's even better. One of the most notable platforms to do so is Bitfortip, which gives BTC an incentive for helping people out with various kinds of tasks. These tasks range from helping people find a dress online to giving informed technical answers to their questions. Additionally, if you're a gamer who loves streaming your favorite video games, why not accept tips in BTC? Twitch and other streaming platforms have integrated crypto tipping services, so be sure to check those out. Number 7. Accepting Bitcoin as a payment. As it comes to mature, we're starting to see more and more businesses that accept Bitcoin as payment for their goods and services. So if you're already running a business, why not consider taking BTC as a payment? It'll widen your global reach, make payments secure, and speed up the entire payment process. The best part is that it's effortless to start accepting Bitcoin. If you're running a physical establishment, it's a matter of putting up a small sign at your storefront and beside your cash register. If your business is online, you can put a banner on your homepage or use a payment intermediary to fully integrate it into your website. At those points, customers can just send funds directly to your Bitcoin wallet. Once you start raking in the BTC payments, you can then use those funds for investment, and hey, who knows, it may just grow in the future. Number 8. Become a crypto trader. One of the fastest, easiest, but also riskiest ways you can make money with Bitcoin is by trading it. Basically, you're trying to buy Bitcoin when the price is low and sell it when the price rises. However, trading Bitcoin successfully is not a matter of luck or guesswork. Profitable traders spend a lot of their time learning how to trade and also how to overcome the many risks involved with trading. Successful traders know they might lose money in the short term, but they look at it as an investment in their education since they are aiming for the long term. If you want to become a trader, it is always good to make sure you have the time and capital to invest in good trading education. Number 9. Bitcoin network marketing. There has been a rise in companies that offer Bitcoin mining investment via a structure where people get referral commissions. They actually combine cryptocurrencies and network marketing. A typical Bitcoin mining network marketing company requires you to buy a Bitcoin mining contract similar to cloud mining. Then you start earning dividends on the amount depending on which package you buy. The network marketing side of things comes in via a scheme where you get bonuses and commissions from all the people that you refer to the particular Bitcoin network marketing network. One such network you can check out is Mining City. Number 10. Work in the Bitcoin industry. Working in the Bitcoin industry goes beyond just monetary value. There is no better way that we know to learn how to make money with Bitcoin than by working with Bitcoin. The cost here is time and discipline. If you can understand crypto and translate your expertise to the cryptocurrency industry, then your skills will be in high demand in the world of finances and technology. Most people actually have zero understanding of blockchain technology, crypto economics, mining, or how to think critically about its implications. Given the lack of understanding coupled with rising demand, cryptocurrency experts can easily make upwards of $90,000, $150,000, $200,000, or more depending on experience. And you know what? The best part is that most of these jobs can often be done remotely from anywhere in the world and pay anywhere between $40,000 to $90,000 per year. Plus, they may very well offer to pay you directly in Bitcoin, which makes learning how to make money on Bitcoin so much easier. To sum up, there's been a lot of debate about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, its proponents arguing that it's the future of currency and investing. In contrast, its detractors argue that it's a very risky investment option that may not generate big returns. As the crypto economy matures over time, we will see constant development and people will keep finding new ways to make money with Bitcoin. Be sure to do your research and find out what works best for you. Good luck! Let us know in the comments if you can start saving $5 a day. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and check out our other valuable videos. See you soon at Financial Insights.